Ma'am Roseanne Garcia, thank you po for watching. Here I am, karaoke naman. I-post natin sa YouTube. Post natin to sa YouTube, Maningkay! May Maningkay! Here I am, playing with those memories again. And just when I thought time had set me free, those thoughts of you keep taunting me, holding you, a feeling I never outgrew. Though each and every part of me has tried, only you can feel that space inside. So there's no sense pretending my heart is not mending. Just when I thought I was over you, and just when I thought I could spend my own, oh baby, those memories come crashing through, and I just can't go on without you. On my own, I've tried to make the best of it alone. I've done everything I can to ease the pain, but only you can stop the rain. I just can't live without you. I miss everything about you. But that's when I thought I was over you, and just when I thought I could stand on my own, oh baby, those memories come crashing through, and I just can't go on without, go on without. It's just no good without you. Without you, without you, without you, without you. Dapat pala relax lang. Kasi yung medyo, yung una kong pinost hindi maganda. Kaya inulit ko ngayon yung Here I Am. Hindi ako naganda.